I joined DQ Labs pretty early. So I joined in my 11th standard, right after 10th was done. And I was pretty lost as to what I wanted to do. And then we settled on design since I was like, okay, I've been doing this since I was a kid and I enjoy doing this. This is what I want to do. So we started there, checked out a couple of other centers as well, and all it took was one trial class. So I went to one trial class in two other centers, came here, and as soon as I was here, I told my parents, okay, this is where I want to go. And then did all of the basics in the first year. Amazing faculty, and faculty keep changing, and we kept meeting new people, learned new things from all kinds of people. And I think talking to all of the seniors helped a lot as well. I think semester holidays, all our seniors from different places that we want to go to come right here to the center from all across the country. So different IITs, different NIDs, and we spoke to them, heard about their experiences, and I think DQ in that way is a lot better than what I've heard from a lot of my friends, people in my age, people elder, people younger. So the fact that we get to know about the experiences of our seniors and actually see them do their work, have them guide us in whatever we're doing helped a lot. And then in the summer before my 12th grade, we got a lot of work from DQ. So we did a wall for DQ, we did a bunch of other internship work, and I don't think these experiences are, they come your way often. I'm very grateful that we got to do all of this work. And then in my 12th grade, I started taking things seriously. I was like, okay, I have to, prepare for these exams. I have to get in here. And all of the DQ faculty helped me. All the old sirs, ma'ams, all the new ones, all of them guided me the whole way. And I think all of my hard work, all of my teachers, sirs' hard work paid off, and I think I made it. I got in. Prelims went well, got ranked 10 in prelims, 61 in mains, and great experience. I'm thankful to Sean sir, Umesh sir, all the other faculty, and anything you want to say?
Yeah. Yeah, just want to thank DQ Labs. Thanks a lot for the DQ Labs. So when I just inquired in the initial days, there was the counselor here. He was just telling, we send DQ Labs, send people to NIDs, they crack usage at ease. So many 10s, 20s people sent to NID and use it. That's what he was telling. I was wondering the total intake, entire country is 100. How come one center alone sent this many students? I was thinking it is just a marketing gimmick that he was telling, but now it has become a reality. I really appreciate DQ Labs. By far, there is no hesitation, there is no doubt to say that DQ Labs is by far the best design training institute in Bangalore. I'm very happy with that, and it is true that they train the people, though they are very focused in what they do, especially the people who has initiated this DQ Labs is all the pioneers in the industry. So that is an advantage. They are not for kind of a marketing or a money making thing. They are the real people in design. They have the experience, they know the industry well. So they are into it, they are focused on it. So it's not like a kind of a commercial thing they are making. They are really passionate about the work they do. So I'm very happy with that. It is good that I have put my son into the correct place. And now we see the result, and he has got into the NID. Thanks a lot.
Kavin always checks his work before joining DQ and after joining DQ, and we could see a lot of differences. The skills that he has improved is tremendous, and we get constant support and a lot of different opportunities, different styles of learnings. Constant feedback from the coaches and teachers here has really helped him. Thank you so much for the DQ team, and I wish them all the very best.